Would you like to know when to use Keyperson insurance? Well, by the end of this video, you'll not only know what is Keyperson insurance, when to use it, but also how to structure it properly. My name is Gail Longnecker, and I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs, executives, and engineers in the areas of life insurance for the best life advice. Subscribe to my channel below and make sure you hit the bell so that you're notified when I post new videos. Keyperson insurance is also usually known as Keyperson life insurance. Now, Keyperson life insurance, all it is a life insurance policy of any flavor of your choice, and where the insured or the owner and the beneficiary all have different roles. This makes perfect sense for you if you have a key person like a chemist in a pharmaceutical lab, and that chemist has all the secrets, if you will, and all the knowledge and all the experience to make the business successful. So the life insurance policy would kick in upon death of that particular key person in order to provide finances to the business. Another example would be a key person who might be a salesperson. That salesman or saleswoman, if they were to pass, potentially could have the ruin of the business in order. So the death benefit of a life insurance policy on that person would then bring the cash back into the business so they can continue to be successful. Another reason why a lot of businesses like to put key person life insurance in place is if there is a creditor, let's say a bank requires it as collateral on a loan. We've had the experience recently where we've had a very successful business wanted to open up a satellite office or even expand into a larger office. Well, the bank didn't want to actually do the build out or create the satellite in the other case until there was a life insurance contract on those key employees. Lastly, and most important, what we see most often is in like a buy-sell agreement. So let's say we've got 2 or 3 partners together in a business and they've put in some equity for the business. Well, it's kind of nice to do either a cross insured or a key person insured, where the company insures each of the partners. And in the case of an untimely death, the cash would go to, let's say, the spouse of the partner and would transfer the ownership of the business from the spouse back to the business. So leave a comment in the section below and let me know if you have a key person insurance on a key person in your business. Additionally, check out my other videos, such as what is an IUL or IUL versus 401k and tax-free retirement. Those are great videos. So now let's talk about the structure of a key person insurance. I alluded to it before, but let's get a little bit more specific. So we've got some different cases or different scenarios where we need key person life insurance. Generally speaking, let's go back to that example of the 2 partners. Okay, so we've got 2 partners in business, and we have a corporation or a business LLC partnership that overrides them, that legal entity. So to write a proper key person insurance, the corporation would own the policy, and each partner would have their own policies. Okay, so one partner would be the insured on that policy, and then the beneficiary would probably be the spouse or the family of that particular insured. The payer of the policy is normally the corporation, and they own the policy as well. So the owner of a policy can make any changes to the policy itself, but the insured or the beneficiaries would have no reason or ability to make any changes to the policy. In addition, that insured better make sure, and your good agent will definitely do this for you, but that partner needs to sign in writing that they agree that somebody take out a life insurance policy on their life. It's really important. Now, what kind of life insurance should this key person life insurance be? What flavor of life insurance should we use? I've done everything under the sun, it seems like. More than likely, a business doesn't expect to go more than 10, maybe 20 years. So they would write a 20-year term life on their partners or on their key person, the chemist, the salesperson for the bank, right? So usually a 10 or 20-year term is sufficient. However, what we're seeing more and more very, very powerful methods and strategies is to create or write a permanent life insurance on that particular key person so that we can actually build and accumulate growth inside of the policy And it becomes a real good incentive for that key person to stay with the company because there's a lot of rich growth happening inside the policy. So the longer they stay with the company, the more benefits and the more cash, tax-free cash streams of income they can pull from that. So it's kind of what we call the golden handcuffs. It's one other way to do deferred compensation. So permanent life insurance with cash value can be used in a lot of strategic ways. So if you would like a key person life insurance, be sure to click below and become my client. Remember to like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and remember, I'm in your corner to help you build wealth your way.